Did you know that the most searched for kitchen gadget right now is a waffle bowl maker? Google just dropped their Holiday 100 list, and while it's packed with fun finds, it's also a reminder that what people are searching for is always changing. The good news? Google Trends can help you keep up.
Welcome to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast, where you get clear, actionable strategies to turn your random acts of marketing into reliable revenue.
Hi, I'm Bob Clark.
And I'm Donna Botti. We're with Delos Inc., and we make the web work for you. Today, we're talking about Google Trends, why it's not just for fun, and how local businesses can actually use it to spot what your customers are looking for.
That's right, Donna. The Holiday 100 list from Google is a great example. Every year they round up top trending products. This time it includes things like dog DNA kits, mini projectors, and yes, waffle bowl makers. It's fun, but it also shows how fast search habits can shift.
And that's where Google Trends come in. It's a free tool that lets you see what people are searching for, when interest spikes, and how things are trending over time in your industry and in your local area.
One thing to note is that Google Trends shows relative interest, not exact search numbers. So a rising line means interest is growing, not necessarily that it's a top search overall. That makes it great for spotting new ideas before they become more common.
And don't forget to adjust the filters. You can choose your location, like your state or your metro area, and your date range. If you want to know what's been gaining traction over the past year, or see if it's something that's just a seasonal blip, you can do both.
You can also compare terms side by side. If you're wondering whether your audience is searching for more than deep cleaning or move out cleaning, Trends can give you that answer. It's a great way to figure out how people are actually talking about your services.
Now, here's something to try this week. Go to Google Trends and plug in a few key terms related to your business. Use the filters to set your location and choose a 12-month view.
Then try comparing 2 or 3 similar phrases you use in your content. You might be surprised which ones are gaining traction, and that can help you write better headlines or update your service pages.
And check out the related topics and questions that show up. These can give you ideas for blog posts, FAQs, or even new services you might want to highlight.
Google Trends isn't just for retailers or big brands. If you want to stay relevant, you have to speak your customer's language. This tool lets you understand that and spot opportunities early.
The best ideas often start with listening. Google Trends is one tool that can help you see what your audience is already searching for, so you can show up with the right message at the right time.
And that's it for today's episode. You can find links on this topic at delosinc.com/episode 421. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our actionable digital marketing tips to grow your organization.
Thanks for listening to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast. If you're ready to simplify your marketing and build reliable growth for your business, visit us at delosinc.com to learn more.